So for today, I will make a video about the equation of an ellipse. Enjoy! Hello, my name is Asikisar El Mendoza, and I'm going to answer the ellipse with instruction. Equation of an ellipse. Write the equation of the ellipse in a standard form that satisfies the given conditions. Number 1. The center is at -2 and 3. The length of the vertical major axis is 12. The length of minor axis is 8. So here, we are going to find out the standard form of our ellipse. So we're going to write here is x minus h raised to 2 over a squared plus y minus k raised to 2 over b squared is equal to 1. Let's go ahead and graph a ellipse here. Let's pretend here's the center, here's the vertices. Remember, the distance from the center to a vertex or one of the vertices is a. Well, that distance has to be the same. So therefore, the distance from one vertex to the other vertex or one vertex to the other vertex is going to be or 1. But whatever is going to be 2a, so the length of the major axis is equal to 2a. So therefore, I can say 2a is equal to 12 divided by 2 divided by a is equal to 6. So 6 times 6 is equal to 36. And to the letter b, 2b is equal to 8 divided by 2 divided by 2. B is equal to 4. So 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And that's the answer. Thank you.